Staying connected is critical to any operation, allowing you to solve problems, share knowledge, and ensure the safety of personnel. Harvest technology optimizes your existing network to deliver reliable, high-definition live streaming while using only a fraction of your bandwidth. Now, you can stay reliably connected in real time, add a multitude of additional cameras and devices, and put more eyes on your remote operations anywhere in the world. Harvest has delivered its network-optimized live streaming solution to major operations, running on the most limited and isolated networks in the toughest environments. Today, these operations achieve high-definition live streaming video and operate with secure control over their equipment and systems, whenever and wherever they need. Even with limited connections in the kilobit per second range, Harvest's clients are streaming reliable high-definition, real-time video, voice and data from remote locations across the globe. Harvest's network-optimized live streaming has helped companies change the way they operate and delivered vast improvements to productivity, as well as health, safety, environmental and quality outcomes. Remote inspection and surveillance puts more eyes on a situation in the field without sending personnel to remote environments. Staff based at headquarters or anywhere with a network connection can manage operations safely and securely, thanks to complete real-time control over latency, quality and frames per second, while Harvest's network self-healing algorithm works in the background to proactively stop data loss and minimize latency across the network. Harvest's network-optimized live streaming, reliable, adaptable and secure connections to your operations anywhere in the world.